Hello, this is Blue on Blue Point Trading. It is the 10th of July 2013. It's hot days of summer here, and the market is also hot. We're still trying to get over this 1645 area here. It's starting to be a little bit of resistance, so maybe we'll back off here a little bit, but it's strong. We got some Fed speak coming out here later today, so we'll see if that moves the market a little bit. But if it breaks this 1650 here, look out. We might be actually heading for new highs, because if it gets a breakthrough up here, we could be going to new highs. So just be aware of that. And the trend's your friend. All this money floating around the world, not in our pockets, but in the people that have a lot of money's pockets, and they're just buying like crazy, and they're bailing out of the bond funds and piling into stocks here. So the market is what it is. So it wants to go higher here. Unless we get a back off here, something changes, it will break through. Bonds could be reaching. Well, there's a lot of talk that the bond move has happened, but in the charts we don't know that yet. We're still making lower lows, so this market might just trade sideways, slightly up, and see if this last low will hold. But for now, no evidence of that until we see it change. On the euro, just drilling down every leg here. Might get a little bounce off here. There's a bit of support here at this 127.50 area on the day chart. We might get a little bit of bounce up today, but there's no evidence to tell us that this is coming up, so the trend is continuing down once a little bounce up occurs. Ditto on the pound, come down hard, and so it's working the wedge to the downside. Could take another leg down. And the yen working the wedge to the upside, continued higher. Swiss, it's gone a long way here. Might back off a little bit, trade sideways today, but the trend is still up. So shorting this could be hazardous to your health. Aussie trying to make the turn, but it couldn't break this first break point here on the 4-hour at this, what is that, 91, 70, 80 area there, and see if it can break it. But if not, the trend, your friend, and continue down. Don't try to fight these trends. CAD wedging here to break higher. Commodities, oil, wow, blast up, get ready to pay. Wedging here and continue up, waiting for the breakdown here. Fundamentally, it doesn't make sense. None of this makes sense, but it is what it is, so you have to trade the markets. Don't be counter trend trading this until we break a lower low on the 4-hour. So with that, a little pullback and continued higher perhaps. Gold, working the wedge here, see if we don't break this 1210 area there. If we can work this wedge to the upside for an eventual breakup, we could get a measured move up. So watch this area here. Need another day or two in purgatory here, and that would be healthy as long as it doesn't make a new low, and then a break higher. And as always, whatever you do, don't be panicking in the market.